Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. What happens if everyone goes vegan? Imagine a world where humanity turns its back on animal products, embracing a plant-based existence. It's a radical concept, no doubt, but one with far-reaching implications for our planet and ourselves. We'll explore the global impacts on health, the environment, and animal welfare. Join us as we journey into this hypothetical future, exploring the potential benefits and challenges of a world gone vegan. Let us first consider the impact such a dramatic shift would have on human health. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle could bring about numerous positive changes, not just for individuals, but for communities as a whole. Studies have shown that a well-planned vegan diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes, can provide all the necessary nutrients our bodies need. This means that with the right knowledge and resources, people can thrive on a plant-based diet. Such a diet is naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, potentially leading to a decrease in heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, it can help in managing weight and improving overall energy levels. However, a global transition to veganism would require careful consideration of nutritional needs. It's not just about eliminating animal products, but ensuring that everyone has access to a variety of plant-based foods. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, often sourced from animal products, would be paramount. This could be achieved through fortified foods or supplements. Education and access to fortified foods or supplements would be crucial, particularly in developing nations. By providing the right information and resources, we can support a healthier, a more sustainable future for everyone. Perhaps the most dramatic impact of a vegan world would be felt by our planet. The shift towards a plant-based diet could bring about a monumental change in how we interact with our environment. Livestock farming, particularly cattle ranching, is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. The scale of these operations is staggering, leading to significant environmental degradation. A global shift to plant-based agriculture could significantly reduce our environmental footprint. By focusing on sustainable farming practices, we can cultivate crops that not only feed us, but also help restore the balance of our ecosystems. Imagine vast swathes of land, currently used for grazing, returning to their natural state, absorbing carbon from the atmosphere. These reforested areas could become thriving habitats for wildlife, contributing to biodiversity. Water resources, strained by the demands of animal agriculture, could be redirected to more sustainable uses. Efficient irrigation systems and water conservation techniques could ensure that our water supply is used wisely. The impact on our climate, our ecosystems, and our planet's health could be profound. By embracing our vegan lifestyle, we have the potential to create a more sustainable and harmonious world for future generations. Chapter 3. A kinder world, and what of the animals? In a world where compassion reigns, the lives of animals would be vastly different. In a vegan world, the exploitation of animals for food, clothing, and entertainment would cease. No longer would they be seen as mere commodities, but as sentient beings deserving of respect and care. Factory farms, a blight on our moral landscape, would be a thing of the past. These places, often hidden from public view, are sites of immense suffering and cruelty. The suffering inflicted upon billions of sentient beings each year would come to an end. Instead, animals would live out their lives in peace, in sanctuaries and natural habitats. It's a vision that fills many with hope, a chance to redefine our relationship with the animal kingdom. Imagine a world where children grow up learning to coexist with animals, understanding their intrinsic value. Of course, the transition would present challenges. Shifting from animal-based to plant-based agriculture is no small feat. Farmers would need support in adapting to plant-based agriculture. This would involve new training, resources, and a shift in mindset. The livelihoods of those involved in animal-based industries would need to be addressed. Support systems and alternative opportunities would be essential to ensure a smooth transition. But the ethical implications of a world without animal exploitation are undeniable. It's a future where kindness and empathy extend beyond our own species, creating a more harmonious world for all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. The prospect of a vegan world raises profound questions about our health, our environment, and our relationship with the animal kingdom. It's a topic that deserves our attention, our consideration, and our open-minded discussion. Let us know in the comments what you think about a vegan world.